How to get $100 Burger King promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Burger King promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Just scroll down. You can open any of the website. For instance, I will be opening this one, Thrift. Once you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. Just scroll down and check it out. Click on this option of Show More. So here you can see that 25% off, 30% off, $10 off, and so on. If you're interested in any of the deal, just click on this option of copy code. Once you copy this code, you can head towards the website of Burger King, log into your account, make your order, and apply this coupon code whenever you check out and get the discount. In this page, you will be able to find tons of offers. You can also try other offers. Likewise, you can go through other websites also. These websites will also provide you great deals and offers. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can get up to $100 Burger King promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.